So hi guys, hope you all are good. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can use dual WhatsApp in your iPhone. I'll provide you two methods to do it. The first one is at first go to this app store. Now here you have to search for parallel space and you have to just download this app. After downloading it, open it. Now here just add this WhatsApp. Now as you can see here, now you can just use your WhatsApp by scanning it. In method number 2, what you can do is you can just download this WhatsApp business and you can just sign in your number as a business and you can just use it.